Welcome to SlideBazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we'll learn how to create a circular animated slide in PowerPoint. Before that, if you work with presentations a lot, SlideBazaar has a free PowerPoint add-in that comes with tons of presentation themes, templates, and more that you can use to create presentations easily. It also has an AI-powered presentation maker that you can use to quickly create presentation drafts. Check out the link in the description to know more about the add-in. Anyway, let's move on to the video. Let's start by going to Insert and inserting an oval. Make sure you hold Shift while drawing the oval so that you get a perfect circle. Right-click the circle and go to Format Shape to change the fill color and change line to no line as well. Let's also add a shadow as shown and tweak the size, blur and transparency. Now when you're satisfied with how the circle looks, go to the SlideBazaar tab and access the free SlideBazaar PowerPoint add-in, which you can download for free from the link in the description. Inside the SlideBazaar tab, click on Smart Shape, which will allow you to easily replicate shapes. Once the Smart Shape Replicator sidebar appears, make sure the circle is selected and the layout arrangement is circular. Then, let's increase the shape replication count to 6, and we'll also increase the radius a bit. Now, let's delete the circle in the middle, and then we'll create a new circle by duplicating one of the other circles by holding Ctrl and dragging it. And then place the duplicate exactly in the center. You can adjust the sizes of the circles if needed. Now, let's click on each circle and use the Format Shape sidebar to change the colors. Once done, it is time to add some icons. Go to Insert and click on Icon and select a few icons that you want to add to the circles. And finally, click on Insert. Once the icons have been inserted, let's click on them and drag and place them on top of the circles. Hold Ctrl and select all the icons, and then drag one of the corner handles and resize the icons. Let's also go to the Format Graphic sidebar and change the fill color to white and change line to no line. Then let's individually rotate the icons so that they look better when this whole section rotates later on. And when that's done, individually select each icon and the circle behind it, and then go to Home, Arrange, Align, and Align Center and Align Middle. And then let's select each circle and icon and group them together by pressing Ctrl+G. Then select all the groups again and combine them into a group as well. Let's make sure our alignment is right once again by selecting the group and the circle in the middle and going to Home, Arrange, Align, Align Center and Align Middle. Once done, select the circle in the center and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Reposition the duplicate exactly over the original circle and then enlarge it so that it overlaps the other circles surrounding it. Then change the fill color to no fill and change the line to solid line. Change the line color and width if needed, and then go to Home, Arrange, Send to Back. Now go back to Insert, Icon, and insert an appropriate icon on the circle at the center. Change its color and select both the icon and the shape and go to Home, Arrange, Align and click on Align Center and Middle. You can also add a shadow if you need to and adjust its transparency. Finally, select the icon and circle in the middle and press Ctrl+G to group them. Then select everything on your slide and move the entire diagram to one side of the slide, exactly as shown. Now, let's select the surrounding circles, press Ctrl+D to duplicate them, and place them directly over the original, and then zoom out and enlarge the circles as shown. I will also delete the icons from each circle, and then let's ungroup them once again by pressing Ctrl+Shift+G. Now individually select each circle and enlarge them as shown. And then select both rings of the circles as shown and group them together so that they move together. Now all you need to do is add some text to the bigger circles on your slide, duplicate the slide, change the text and rotate the circles as shown. Repeat this for all the circles. Finally, select all the slides on the left and select Morph Transition to get this. So there you have it, a very easy to create slide in PowerPoint with a beautiful circular animation. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out our free PowerPoint add-in. The link will be in the description.